Okay, so let's take a look at Axie Infinity or AXS, right? So this, let me just clear this up so I can show you what's happening. Is Axie Infinity is forming an inverted head and shoulders pattern, right? So before I get into what's going to happen, if you like these videos that we put out every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Fridays, make sure to subscribe to the FXStreet YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like what I do, you can follow me on Twitter for much frequent updates on stuff like TA, what I'm looking at, what I'm trading. And I sometimes do post on-chain metrics and a weekly thread where I talk about the Bitcoin market and what's happening. So yeah, follow me on Twitter. Back to Axie Infinity, right? So the inverted or inverse head and shoulders pattern is currently in play, and the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and the head, right? So the neckline was around, neckline kind of coincided with the 50 fib, which I've drawn from this level here, this level here. I've selected the candle bodies and not the candle wicks. Yesterday it kind of broke above it, went higher, retested the 62 fib, but then came back down again below the 50 fib. And now it's like completely undone the losses that suffered yesterday. And we're seeing a bullish engulfing candle on a 6-hour time frame, right? So I want to talk about this particular downswing of the down candle that we saw here, and I want to address that. So let me just pull up the volume profile. Right, so I was looking at this volume profile yesterday, and I noticed that the point of control was somewhere around here. And once Axie Infinity broke above it, we kind of didn't really get a retest of it. And I was expecting this, right? So when I added more to my position over here, I actually added somewhere around here yesterday and added more to my position again yesterday. And yeah, I'm currently in this long position, full disclaimer. And what do I expect, right? What's the theoretical target for this, right? The target is found by measuring the right side of the peak to the left valley, which gives you like a 28% downswing, and add that distance to the breakout point or the neckline over here, which kind of projects that Axie Infinity is due to hit $90, right? But looking at this fib, I usually consider that the reversal happens somewhere in at these three levels, which is 62, 70.5, and 79 fib, right? So it gives me a range of $75 to $82 is where I'm expecting a reversal to happen. So far, but looks like everything's playing along really well. There's nothing much to add here except for the fact that there is this high probability reversal zone that might stop Axie Infinity in its tracks, right? And if you look at it, this cluster of consolidation, the green candles that were formed before the price actually went down is kind of where the institutional buying, institutional selling took place. So I'm expecting a lot of resistance around the 79 fib exactly, which is where I kind of want to take my profits. But yeah, that's from bullish perspective, right? From bearish perspective, I do not want Axie Infinity to close below the 68.9 or roughly the $69 level, which coincides with the point of control of this particular trading range, right? And anything ranging between 12th August and 29th September, that's the trading data that you see over here. Yeah, if it closes below this, then you can expect Axie Infinity, like this whole bullish thesis, to be invalidated, right? In that case, you can expect it to head down and retest this red candle's base at 64, around 65, and somewhere around like the base of this pattern, the shoulders around $62. Right, but that is kind of unlikely unless like Bitcoin nukes. But other than that, it's bullish for Axie Infinity.